I started learning nakshatras in my life, I got the actual crux of Jyotish. That is what I have seen, based on my experience, of the nakshatra. You see, ladies and gentlemen, as we know, Shiva is on the top. Okay. Shiva is that Omkara. It is unmanifested form, right? Nirguna. It is right on the top. And it is his Ichha because of which Vishnuji came and then followed by Brahma and all this. But you see, Nakshatra Mandala. Okay. What is Nakshatra first of all? The word Nak, just divide into Nak first. Okay. Nak in Sanskrit, in Vedic Jyotish, in many scriptures has been defined as night. Nak is night, Rat. And Kshetra is the map. It is the division. It is the space which is given to the night. So technically, nakshatra means it is the night map. Okay. When you see a map of the sky in the night is known as nakshatra. It is not the day map. I must tell you, it is not the day map. It is the night map. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work during the day. It is that we can see these nakshatras only in the night. So you see, the entire Hora Shastra is based on only two principles: the principle of the day and the principle of the night. The entire Hora Shastra. Trust me, when you learn Hora Shastra, when you learn shlokas, and after 5 years, 10 years, you would realize that everything was moving around day and night, which is Surya and the Chandra, sun and moon, right? So what happens is that during the day, Surya is so powerful. He's so powerful that he does not allow any stars to shine in front of him. He's so powerful and so close and so self-centered. But it is the night that allows the stars to shine, and you can even look at them with your naked eyes. When I say the moon is in a particular nakshatra, what does that mean? It means that moon is in a particular constellation. Constellation means group of stars that you can actually see. It is in that radius of, it is in the angular division of those stars. The moon is there. That means moon is in a particular nakshatra. But how does this nakshatra come from? The nakshatras were gifted again by Shiva. In my first lecture of Jyotish Acharya, and even in the Shiv Mahapuran, I said that the time and space was gifted to us by Shiva. When we say it is gifted to us, I mean it is gifted to Vishnu. Okay, so Vishnu further, aligned it in a certain order so that the karma cycle can be done. Okay, so what happened was, Vishnuji was sitting, Vishnuji created sun, moon, and all 9 planets, and the Vishnuji gave them a speed. It gave them a path known as orbit. So it is just like you have, you used to have those kanchas that used to play when we were a child. You see kancha, the bante in Punjabi, we call them, right? So the planets are like, those kanchas, the glass balls to Vishnu, right? So he used to just place one glass ball here, one glass ball here, one glass ball here, and write a big glass ball in the center, which is Surya. And he said, okay, this is how the galaxy will look like. That is the power of Vishnu, right? But from where have these glass balls have come? Who gave these glass balls to Vishnu? Shiva. Shiva gave these glass balls to Vishnu. Go, play with them. And on which glass ball you want, humans to live? Said, we want a glass ball known as Earth, where all these Jivatmas will dwell. Okay. It has to be in a particular distance from the Surya, so that the temperature is adequate and these humans can, these Panch Tattvas can live. Why can't we live on other planets? It is that the temperature is either so extreme, it is so cold or it is so hot. On the Mother Earth, the temperature is adequate for us to dwell. So this Brahmand is being created. But on top of it, when this Brahmand is being created, Vishnuji is looking at two aspects, the day and the night. Everything that you say in a day is always in the past. Is always in the past. Day is past. Night is future. Everything you say in the day is going to be in the past. And everything you will say in the night is going to be in the future. He's closely observing the principle of sun and moon. He's thinking that sun is always going to be taken in the past and moon will be taken as a future, right? So he's thinking like that. Then he's thinking that sun will not allow the karmas to be burnt. Sun is not going to allow. Sun has lot of ego. So let me only give the zodiac signs to the sun. I will only give access to the zodiac signs to the Surya Devata. So like if your Surya Devata is like here, okay, then he created imaginary lines. He created imaginary divisions known as Rashis. Rashis are only imaginary angular equal divisions. Should I repeat? Rashis are only angular equal divisions. 360 degree. So he created 30, 30, 30, 30 angles, angular divisions, and he named them as Rashis. And the Rashis have come from the sound of Vishnu. He was sitting in the meditation, e, u, e, o. He created these Rashis by uttering exactly these sounds, which is written in the Parashara Hora Shastra. So he said A, and Aries was formed. So Aries division came, right? I teach all this in Jyotish Bhushan when we, show how Rashis create. And that Rashi is created from the Ritus, from the seasons. Rashis are, all the sun signs are created based on the seasons, Ritus. So, I mean, Surya has that much access. Okay, like we have Makar Sankranti, this coming, that coming, this Ritu coming, that Ritu coming, Uttarayan coming, Dakshayan coming. Everything was given to Surya. Surya, you take all these things, you work around these things. And then came the Chandra. So he saw that Chandra is taking 27 days or 27 and 1/3 day to revolve around the earth. Yes. What is the speed? How much is the time that Chandra takes? Chandra takes 27 days and 1/3 to revolve around, take one chakra of the earth. So it is rounded off to 27. So Vishnu said, I will have to make 27 divisions for the Chandra. So he said, okay, I'll give you small 27 divisions of this 360 zodiac, and you can go to that one division every day and you can enjoy, you can belong to that division. So those small divisions on the sky that has those stars were created and they were known as nakshatras. Did you understand? Imagine this is night and there is all these stars are shining and it is taking 27 combinations of day and night for Chandra to complete that orbit.